Resistance training is so important. It's really just so good for your muscles, so good for your bones, and for your lifelong health. But I feel like people aren't comfortable with resistance training, and so I want to invite you guys into my gym here as I'm working out, because I want people to be more comfortable with resistance training, whether that's just getting more familiar with the exercises or just seeing someone else who's also imperfect, because I'm not perfect at this either. And I want you guys to feel more comfortable being able to start and just get into the gym, into working out, whether it's at a gym or not, and how to do that effectively, and just even starting when you're not perfect yet, because none of us are perfect. So my goal is to help you feel more comfortable doing resistance training, because it's so important for your joint health, for your bone health, for your muscle health, all through your life. We're here working, trying to make ourselves a little bit better each day, and hope to see you guys next time.